Okay, so what if I told you, and I know this sounds ridiculous, but what if you could build a complete working app without writing a single line of code? Like none, zero. You just describe what you want, and AI writes everything. I know, it sounds like some clickbait nonsense, but here's the thing. It's actually real. They're calling it vibe coding now, which, okay, kind of a silly name, but whatever. The point is, you vibe with the AI, tell it what you want, and it just builds it. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Like right now. By the end of this video, you'll have built your own app. So let's get into it. So the tool we're using is called Cursor. And it's basically, okay, you know VS Code, right? It's like that, but with AI just baked right in. You can literally talk to it like you're talking to another developer. Like, hey, build me a calculator. Hey, add a dark mode to this. And it does it. It's kind of wild, honestly. Download it from cursor.com. It's free to start, no credit card or anything. And once you have it open, the shortcut you need to know is Cmd+K on Mac, Control-K on Windows. That's the magic button. That opens the AI prompt thing, where you just describe what you want. Let me show you how stupid powerful this is. All right, let's build something. An expense tracker. So I hit Command-K, and I just type, and this is literally what I typed. Create a Python expense tracker. I want to add expenses with name, amount, and category. Show me total spending. That's it. Plain English. Nothing fancy. I hit Enter, and 5 seconds later, look at this. It generated the entire structure. An expenses list, an add expense function with name, amount, category. It even added a little confirmation print statement, which, like, I didn't even ask for that. It just knew. I wrote none of this. 0 lines. The AI just understood what I wanted. Okay, but that's just adding stuff. I want to see my total. So I hit Command-K again, and I say, add a function to show total and list all expenses. And boom, just like that. It adds getTotal with a list comprehension, which, by the way, that's like the proper Python way to do it, and show_all that prints everything nice and formatted with the category, then shows the total at the bottom. This code is clean, it's well structured, it follows best practices, and I cannot stress this enough. I haven't written a single character. Let me run this real quick to prove it actually works. Let's add another feature because why not? I want to filter expenses by category. My prompt is literally just add filtering by category. That's it, 5 words. And 3 seconds later, I have a complete filter function. List comprehension to find matching expenses, separate category total calculation, nice formatting with indentation. Like, this would have taken me, 10, 15 minutes to write and debug properly. Cursor did it in 3 seconds. And it works. First try, no errors. This is what I mean by vibe coding. You just vibe. Okay, one more thing. I want to save my expenses so they, actually persist between sessions. So my prompt is add save and load functions using JSON. And look at this. It adds the import at the top, creates a save function that writes to JSON with nice indentation, creates a load function that reads it back, handles the case where the file doesn't exist yet with a try except, uses the global keyword correctly, which honestly, a lot of beginners mess that up. This is production quality code, error handling and everything. And I just asked for it in English. All right, quick pro tips that'll make your vibe coding like 10 times better. First, be specific. Don't say make it better. That's useless. Say add input validation for the amount field. Specific prompts, specific results. Second, one feature at a time. It's way easier for the AI to get right and way easier for you to verify it worked. Third, if the code is wrong, tell it what's wrong. Like, the total isn't including tax. Fix it. Just be direct. And fourth, Command-L opens chat mode where you can ask questions about code that already exists. Super useful. These tips alone will save you hours of frustration. Trust me. So look at what we built. A complete expense tracker. Adding, viewing, filtering, totals, file persistence, over 50 lines of working Python code. Lines I wrote myself? 0. Literally 0. Time it took? Maybe 10 minutes? And that's with me explaining everything. Look, this is the future. I'm not being dramatic. You don't need to memorize syntax. You don't need to spend hours debugging stupid typos. You just describe what you want, and AI builds it. Download Cursor from cursor.com. Try it yourself. If you want to see me build more complex stuff with this, subscribe and drop a comment telling me what you want me to create. Seriously, I'll do it. See you in the next one.